12 surprising health benefits of olive oil. 1. It's packed with polyphenols. 2. It strongly promotes cardiovascular health. 3. It may reduce the risk of certain cancers. 4. It supports healthy memory plus brain function. 5. It supports a healthy mental outlook plus mood. 6. It combats pain plus inflammation. 7. It may boost bone health plus strength. 8. It supports a healthy gut microbiome. 9. It supports a healthy immune system. 10. It balances blood sugar and may help prevent diabetes. 11. It may help you lose weight. 12. It's the healthiest oil you can cook with. If you would like to see more videos on keto diet recipes for healthy weight loss,